this is a question that came to me, that is how to start an e-commerce business. Okay, so you can start an e-commerce business using Shopify. That is, you can actually do Amazon FBA, and there are hundreds and thousands of ways that you can actually do. Okay, but today I am going to be showing you two options. Number one is the special one that I'm going to be showing. The number two is Shopify. Okay, so if you have money, then go on to Shopify and then you can start your own e-commerce business like most of the people. But here's the thing that I just found out, and just bear with me because it's really awesome. So I just was writing down about the steel bed on Etsy. This is to be true incredible, because I was just searching up on Etsy and I found out all these metal beds, and we can actually see there are 1,000+ results that are available for us. Okay, so all these things are metal beds that people actually love buying. So I did one simple thing. So I found hundreds and thousands of options and I chose this one. Okay, and after that I do right click and search image with Google. And you know what, so let's see, this bed is being sold for 15,079 rupees. That is, on Indian currency, that is like 15,079 rupees is like $182. You can make money like $100 to $700 really easily as a beginner. Okay, that's the process that I'm going to be showing to you. So right now we can see this is the bed, and we can see this is the same images that we are getting. You can see this is the same image, that is the exact same image. So we can see on Alibaba. Okay, so I went on to Alibaba, and I was myself shocked seeing this and what it is. So we can see all these, you can see all these things, but here I come across about this one. You can see this is the same bed that they're selling on Etsy for like $182, and on Alibaba we can actually buy it for like $75. Isn't it crazy? So if we think about doing some calculation, okay, so if you think about doing some calculation, like if we use our calculator, okay, so if we go on to like $182, it's like $182 or 0.17 cents. And if we just remove the 0.17 cents, if we minus the $75, we can actually have $107 as pure profit. Okay, so you can actually have $107 as pure profit. That is, you're buying at 75 from Alibaba, and you can see for $75, and you can sell it for like $182, that is 15,079 rupees. Okay, so you can see 15,079 rupees, and this is actually amazing. I myself thought that, wait a second, it is something that you can actually do completely for free. And not just that, people are not just selling it on here. People are actually, for example, if you go on the image search with Google, you will be able to see that you simply need to copy and paste the same photograph. Okay, you need to take this photograph and you need to simply copy and paste on different websites, and that is pretty much amazing. For example, you can sell this thing for like 18,400, which is way higher. Okay, so this is the thing. I mean, you can sell this thing. I mean, this is the exact same thing. Only the orientation is different. Okay, so here is the main thing: 10 best bunk beds. So this is a bunk bed base, and which is made in metal. So a metal twin bunk bed that you can basically buy for like $75, and you can actually sell it for like how much? For like $182. Okay, so you can make a profit of like $100, $107 basically, for $100 real easily with the help of this technique. You do not have to ship anything. You simply need to do what? You simply need to buy the product, and then everything will be done by them if you follow some great instructions. And after that, you're going to be having profit that is of $107. That is $100 profit. Buying it for $75, selling it for $182, having $100 profit. Pretty amazing. Okay, another option is to start an e-commerce company. Like if you go on to Shopify, okay, you go on to Shopify, and after that you are having an option like you can make a Shopify store, and you can actually buy it for $75. Then you need to do some, you can say, some calculations. Like 75, you need to sell it for like at least $225, because you need to do the marketing too, and you need to sell it for at least like $250, so that you can actually have profits. Okay, so after that, which is, I mean, the profit that you're going to be having is not going to be that high, but this is the best option, is to sell it on Etsy. And if you are really good at marketing, you can actually sell it for like $500 even, if you get some great clients. And the second thing is, if you can provide good value. Okay, so if you can actually do a bundle version of this, that is, if you can actually upsell products like cushions, if you can upsell products like pillows, if you can actually give some other things that are also necessary, if you can actually upsell or cross-sell things, then you can actually make much more profits with the help of that. And this is one of the easiest way that I feel that you can actually do whenever you actually start your own journey. And if you start your own e-commerce journey, this is one of the easiest way that you can actually do. And after that, whenever you get those things, you can have good number of profit, and you can actually have all these different options, not just one option. You can sell, and you can basically make profits with the help of that, and you can have a great online